Paper is a material used for writing and packaging, among other things. It is made of cellulose fibers obtained from plants. The fundamentals of today's paper-making technology originate in early 2nd century China, but paper-making only developed into an industry in the 19th century. The best raw materials are softwoods, for example birches and conifers. Thanks to waste sorting, paper can also be recycled. Wood contains about 50% cellulose, which is a constituent of the cell wall of plants and the most abundant polysaccharide on Earth. A cellulose molecule is a long, linear chain of several thousand beta-D-glucose units. These long chains are arranged tightly together, and hydrogen bonds are formed between them, thus holding them together and forming microfibrils. These then further bunch together and form cellulose fibers. At the start of the paper-making process, logs are debarked and chopped up into tiny pieces, and these pieces are then mixed with water to make pulp. Chemicals are then added to the pulp, and the mixture is boiled in a pressurized vessel until the cellulose fibers can be separated from the lignin, which binds them together. The resulting pulp is then further cleaned, drained through a screen or screened, and refined. Various additives are mixed in to obtain the desired quality and color. The pulp contains more than 90% water when it is spread on a screen. After the pulp is screened, the remaining water is squeezed out with rollers. By this time, the fibers form a continuous strip of paper. After drying and smoothing, the finished paper is wound into rolls and transported to processing plants. Paper is indispensable in our lives today. The final products of paper making include such basic items as books, banknotes, and wrapping paper. However, the manufacture and use of paper take a serious toll on the environment. Besides consuming enormous amounts of wood, paper-making is also a water and energy-intensive process. It requires nearly 2.5 kilograms of wood and 100 liters of water to produce just 1 kilogram of copy paper. By recycling paper, we can save about 50% of the energy and water that would otherwise be used in the process. In addition, the more recycled paper is used for paper-making, the fewer trees have to be cut down. As a result, paper recycling helps protect the environment.